All right, we're at another great friend of Full Throttles. We are at CSI Customs. As you can see, he does speakers. So tell us all about the good stuff you do and what you can do for these motorcyclists.
Oh man, we're actually a full custom shop located in Wesley Chapel. We're a Florida dealer for Soundz audio. They do everything from a 2-speaker all the way up to a 8-speaker custom installations. We do air ride, center stands, fat tire kits, full big wheel baggers, body kits, everything you could think of. That's what we do.
All right, yeah, one of these days I'm going to hit him up on my bagger, see if he can update my factory speakers a little bit. So he can do that. So if you got factory speakers already in your bike, but you just want a little more power or something like that, they do have speakers that'll fit that. So you don't have to do the big cutouts and all that good stuff. He can work with whatever setup you got, get you fixed up where you're sounding good and you're looking good. And again, he's got the air ride and other things. What other good stuff you got coming up?
Oh man, I believe we're going to be at the Full Throttle Expo. Going to be set up there for that weekend. Again, we'll be offering installations there. We are mobile on the Soundz installations. We can come to you and do that at your house while you wait, so you don't have to, worry about getting it to us and making those types of arrangements. Like I said, we're a full custom shop.
And just one more thing to throw at you, $1 do you cut and do everything to where you can build the speakers in for people who do not have the speakers built
Absolutely.
into the bags?
So this customer here brought me this. This is a factory 2-speaker bike, and brought this here this morning, and we did the cutouts here to do the 6x9s in the lids. We also offered the 5x7s available for the CVO owners that have the auto locks in the lids. We do make adapters to be able to upgrade those 5x7s to 6x9s. So you think about it, we can do it. We'll make it happen.
That's right. Now, John did a little later get it. You got a whole wall of different speakers, shapes, sizes, everything else. So come out and see this gentleman. Again, you catch him at the Full Throttle Expo. It is CSI, which, of course, custom Soundz installation. So make sure you come see this gentleman. He'll get you all fixed up.